We got you an in-depth review of Windows 7 a couple of weeks ago. Now here's a look at some of the applications that come along with this OS as well as Windows Vista. These are gadgets that let you connect to social networking websites, radio stations and lots more.
It's the performance, it's the interface. But sometimes what tilts the scale for any OS are the gadgets that can be added to the sidebar. Gadgets refer to the applications available in the sidebar, especially when we talk about Windows 7 or Vista. There are basic default options like calendar, clock, etc. But one click and you can have access to evolving applications that help you network, connect to Wi-Fi, radio and more. If you are a hardcore Facebooker like Sudarshan, you will need the FB Explorer, which lets you track incoming messages, updates and also allows you to change your status message from the sidebar. It has a user-friendly interface and the best feature is the summarized list of friends' activities that keeps updating itself.
When we look at FB Explorer, the great thing about this, it is a very easy to use interface. The widget for avid Facebook users, everything is just one click away. And one more thing that is very useful about this is it comes on a sidebar so that every message, every poke, you don't miss out on anything. You can keep up to date with your friends and the chats. The only disadvantage what I could find is if a couple of people share the laptop, it is not possible for two separate logins. It has only one login and it does not allow you to create a list.
To monitor and manage Wi-Fi on your system, Xyrus Wi-Fi Monitor is the friendly helper. It can search for Wi-Fi networks, verify Wi-Fi coverage and locate Wi-Fi devices. The Xyrus Wi-Fi Monitor has a radar-like display which shows all the available Wi-Fi networks present in and around its range. With faster operating systems come greater demands, like watching live TV. If you are a fan of a wide range of international channels, Mini TV is a gadget that lets you watch different streaming TV channels from around the world. No TV tuner installation required, all you need is a high-speed internet connection, something which still needs work in India. But if you are a YouTube regular, then YouTube Viewer is for you. This gadget lets you choose your favorite video and you can pick your choice and play it instantly. This saves you the trouble of navigating through your web browser. Bringing Bollywood blockbusters to couples' ears is another gadget that brings Hindi radio stations to your desktop. Full-time Masti Radio. You no longer have to search for stream links on web pages. Full-time Masti Radio includes radio stations from places like Paris, Dubai, India and the US to name a few. Right-click on the gadget, select Option and then pick the radio station you want to tune into from the drop-down menu.
If I want to listen to any song, I'll just select a song, radio station and then that's it, I'm done. There are only two buttons, start and stop, there I go. And the disadvantage side is, like if I want to add a station which is not in the list, I'll have to make a request and then it's taken care of.
And to save the best for the last, here's something for all you cricket buffs. A gadget that comes from cricinfo.com provides live scores and news updates from the world of cricket.
Cricket, that's probably the only thing that's common for a billion people who live in this country, right? When you're at home, it's easier. So you just switch on the TV, you watch the match. But when you're at work, more often than not, you will have people, going to cricinfo.com or cricketnext.com. Again, open a browser window and check for scores. Again, you'll have to hit refresh again and again and again, to get updated scores. But this gadget is so cool, you just put it on your desktop, it sits there, occupies very less space. And it refreshes itself every 10 seconds, 15 seconds. So instead of you trying to get the score sort of comes to you. It's pretty neat. You can't customize it a lot. For example, if there are like 2 or 3 matches, that are going on at the same time, You may choose to follow only one, but it doesn't allow you to choose the match that you want to follow. So it sort of dumps all the 3 updates to you. So that's a little less efficient.
Various features can be clubbed and compressed to form a handy tool, an icon on the sidebar. One click and immediate access, time to build your gadget space.
People wonder why there are computer addicts in the world. Well, manufacturers make it really tough for anyone to not be hooked onto the screen for a large part of the day. But enough of that, a short break on the show, and when we get back, a countdown of the games to look out for in 2010.